Yes, hello. Good evening, Mr. Iwan. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Yes, nice to see you in class, Mr. Iwan.
Yeah, nice to see you, sir. Nice to see you too, sir.
Yes, you're welcome. Yeah, actually,
What's our topic?
for this evening, some participants they cannot join the class. So yeah, okay, no problem. Just you. Yeah, for the participants, Mr. Iwan. Okay, so this evening we will discuss about this. And this is the news was trending. Actually, is trending from Jakarta Post. Yeah, on today. Yes, this news about the vaccinations program also. And this is self-paid COVID-19 vaccines program delayed after uproar. Yeah, so this is the self-paid COVID-19 vaccine. So get delay after uproar. Uproar is heboh, something, yeah, something like heboh, something like that. And we can see also Mr. Ikhwan in this picture. A vendor shows his COVID-19 vaccination cards after being inoculated. So after being vaccination, yeah, he is, we can see this picture, at Melong Markets in Cimahi, West Java on February 24th. So yeah, it was in February 24th. Yeah, we can see this. This is the vaccination start. And this news is trending on today, Mr. Ikhwan, Monday, July 12, 2021. Okay, Mr. Ikhwan, can you please read the first paragraph, sir? This is. Yes, you can open your speaker, sir, so I can hear your voice.
Okay.
Yes.
State-owned pharmaceutical company PT Kimia Pharma delayed the rollout of its privately paid COVID-19 vaccine program on Monday, a day after announcing it would begin offering the service at certain clinics starting this week.
Yes. Yeah, this is the first paragraph, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
state-owned pharmaceutical company, PT Bio Farma, delay the rollout of its privately paid COVID-19 vaccines program on Monday, a day after announcing it will begin offering the service at certain clinics starting this week. And this is the news. Do you understand, Mr. Iwan, about the first paragraph?
Uh, the paragraph said that about PT Kimia Pharma
Yes.
that the PT Kimia Pharma has have announcing that they begin to give offering the service of at certain clinics starting this week about the uh, apa unpaid, privately paid, sir,
Yes.
vaccine.
Yes. Yeah, that's the news about that. Okay, so we continue again, Mr. Iwan. Yeah, this is the second paragraph.
Yeah.
The decisions came after public backlash against the program, with critics contending that vaccination should be free for everyone. because about this. Yeah, so the decisions also came after public backlash, menyerang balik, backlash, against, backlash against, serangan balik about this program, with critic contending, with critic that vaccination should be free for everyone about this, so will not pay. Yeah. Yes.
Be free.
Yes, sir. Yeah, because about business. Yeah, so continue again. Yeah, we are very sorry to announce that the vaccinations program initially set to start on July 12 is delayed until further notice. Kimia Pharma Corporate Secretary Ganti Winarno wrote in a statement on Monday. Okay. Yeah, so really sorry about this announce. That's the vaccinations program. Yeah, initially set to start on today, actually, 12 July, but has delayed until further notice. Okay. This is Ganti Winarno said in a statement on Monday, dalam sebuah statement pernyataan. Okay, on today.
Yes.
Okay, so continue again, Mr. Ikhwan. He did not mention the public criticism, but cited the high enthusiasm and many questions the company had received as the reason for the delay. Okay, yeah, so he did not mention the public criticism, but just cited, mengutip, cited the high enthusiasm, tingginya antusiasme, and many questions. So many questions also, Mr. Ikhwan. The company had received as the delay. Okay. Okay, sir. Mr. Ikhwan, please read this paragraph, sir. The management.
Yeah.
This is.
Yeah. Okay. The management has decided to prolong the time to raise public awareness about the gotong royong individual vaccine scam and to organize the registration process for recipients. The statement read.
Yes.
Prolong the time.
So do you understand, sir, about this paragraph?
The management decided to prolong the time. Artinya manajemen memutuskan untuk segera What's the prolong, sir?
Yes, prolong time. Mengulur waktu.
Mundur.
Yes.
Oh ya, mundur waktu to raise public awareness. To raise untuk mengantisipasi kekhawatiran to raise public awareness, kekhawatiran publik tentang skema gotong royong.
Yes.
Dan mengatur proses registrasi untuk penerima vaksin.
Yes. So that's
is correct.
Yes,
that's correct, sir.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
Equal. Yeah.
What's the meaning to raise, sir? To raise, yeah.
Meningkatkan.
It is
to rise, meningkatkan.
Oh iya.
Meningkatkan public awareness, ya, kesadaran publik, ya, public awareness, ya, kesadaran publik about the gotong royong individual vaccination scheme, skema vaksinasi, and to organize the
Untuk meningkatkan, oh ya ya, oke oke oke.
process, yes, for recipients. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is to
Ya,
organize,
meningkatkan kesadaran dulu.
yes, for the registration process for recipients. Yeah, the statement reads. Yeah, this is the statement. Okay,
Yes.
so continue again, Mr. Iwan. And we can see also this
Oke.
Jokowi faces rumbling of discontents as pandemic crisis deepens. Yeah, actually the president Jokowi also
Rumbling.
rumbling, faces menghadapi rumbling. Rumbling is kehebohan, ya, kehebohan or something, yeah, something like so many critics, many, yeah. In Indonesian is heboh, rumbling,
Yes.
rumbling.
Yes.
So yeah, so many criticisms like this. Of discontents, ya, ketidakpuasan. Discontent is tidak puas. Ya, as pandemic crisis deepens. Okay.
Oke.
So continue again.
Rumbling of discontent.
So deep into the crisis.
Oke.
Okay.
On Sunday, Kimia Pharma announced it would offer the Sinopharm vaccine at 8 clinics in 6 cities in Java and Bali as part of the gotong royong private vaccination scheme. Ya, jadi Kimia Pharma pada hari Minggu kemarin sudah mengumumkan pemberian Sinopharm vaksin Sinopharm ya di 8 klinik di 10 kota, 6 kota di Jawa Bali sebagai bagian dari skema vaksin gotong royong.
Yes. So anyway, what do you think, sir, about this gotong royong private vaccination scheme? Do you have any opinions, Mr.?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I hear the opinion. I hear the public opinion is pro contra. Yeah. For some people say that gotong royong private vaccine is opposite ya, opposite.
Yes.
With the regulation that have to give give public free vaccine to all of people
Okay.
in our country. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
But from the government said that gotong royong is one alternative to faster the vaccination in Indonesia. And the second phase, it's the alternative way how to faster the vaccination. And then number 2 is how to give a chance to the certain people to get vaccine faster, because if we with the the registration,
Yes.
Yeah, it can spend a long time.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
understand, Mr.
So
Iwan.
many people want to get, yeah. There's some people want to get vaccine faster.
Yes.
Yeah, but he must wait the registration.
Okay.
So the Gotong Royong private vaccine can give them a chance to get a vaccine faster.
Understands. Yes. So this gotong
I
royong
think it's,
vaccine, yeah,
yeah,
this is also we, yeah, from the governments,
yeah,
also a we
yeah,
from the governments. Yeah, and that can be actually roll out the vaccination faster. Yeah, can be
yeah.
accelerate
Uh,
in the
Roll,
vaccinations program
roll out.
in Indonesia. Yeah, can be accelerate,
Yeah,
mempercepat.
yeah. Accelerate, accelerate. That's right. Accelerate.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, this is the good way also because but so many critics, yeah,
Good way.
so many criticisms, yeah,
Yeah.
from the
There's
public
many
because
criteria.
they need free vaccine. Yeah, so the vaccine must free for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, understand, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but sometimes like that. Yeah, we must now the public we must, yeah, learn about, yeah, the people. Okay, Mr. Johnny. Okay, Mr. Johnny join the class. Mr. Johan. Yes, hello.
Hmm?
Good evening, Mr. Johan. Can you hear my voice?
Tadi apa tahu apa kata kata ganteng tadi bang? Masa translate dia katanya bang, balik lagi katanya. Balik.
Okay, so continue again, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
government revisits. Yeah. The government revisits the Gotong Royong scam early last week through a healthy ministry regulations that effectively allowed Kimia Pharma to offer the service to anyone willing to pay
Willing to pay
879,000
$79,000
rupiah, yeah, or $60
Sinopharm.
for 2 doses of the Sinopharm vaccine. But the new regulation was only made known the public on Sunday. Okay. Yeah, so the government revisits, yeah, the gotong royong scam early last week. Ya, awal minggu lalu, ya, through a healthy
Yeah.
ministry regulations melalui peraturan Menteri Kesehatan, and that
Kesehatan.
effectively allowed Kimia Pharma, yeah, to offer the
To
service
offer.
to anyone. Yeah, so to pay about this, Mr. Ikhwan, yeah, 800 something,
Yeah.
100,000, yeah, or $60.
$60.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, but the new regulation was only made, ya, telah di only made known the public. Ya, hanya diketahui oleh publik on Sunday in the new regulations.
Yeah.
Okay, so continue again. Mr. Ikhwan, please read this
Initially,
paragraph, sir. This is initially.
initially, the scam had allowed only private and state-owned companies to buy vaccine supplies from the government for distribution to employees and their family members free of charge.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, this is initially the scam had allowed only private and state-owned companies, ya, perusahaan-perusahaan negara
Awalnya ya.
vaccine supplies from the government for distributions to employees and their family members free of charge. Yeah. Do you understand, Mr. Ikhwan, about this paragraph purpose?
Yeah. Yeah, the regulation, the paragraph mean but that the regulation initially, the scam had a lot, only privat
Yes.
and state-owned companies. Ya, hanya swasta dan perusahaan BUMN, ya, swasta dan BUMN state-owned.
BUMN.
To buy, untuk membeli vaksin supply, untuk mendapatkan supply dari pemerintah, to distribution to employees and their family member,
Yeah.
free of charge.
Yeah. Karyawan and their family members, yeah, free of charge.
Free of charge.
Yes.
Free of charge, bebas
Yeah.
biaya.
Yeah, bebas biaya.
Ya.
Okay. Yeah. This is
Yeah.
Mr. Ikhwan. So initialnya the scam had allowed. Ya, skemanya telah diizinkan. Ya, only private, ya perusahaan swasta, yes, and state-owned companies, ya, dan perusahaan negara, ya, to buy vaccine supplies from the governments. Ya, untuk membeli supply vaksin dari pemerintah for distribution to employees and their family members free of charge.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, free of charge only for the employees, the employees of BUMN, badan usaha milik negara,
Ya.
yeah, and also the family members, anggota keluarga, anggota keluarga pekerja BUMN, something like that.
Ya.
Yes. Or pekerja perusahaan private, perusahaan BUMN. State-owned companies. Okay, this is the statement actually, Mr. Ikhwan. Okay, so I will continue again, so we'll get the news. So the change in policy and Kimia Pharma's Sunday announcement immediately made rounds on social media and drew criticism from civil society groups, dan menarik kritik-kritik dari grup society sipil, which call the expansion and attempt to commercialize vaccination, yang disebut ekspansi, perluasan, and attempt to, dan dilakukan untuk commercialize vaccination and profits from the pandemics, while vaccines supposed to be good. Yes. So this is actually change in the policy peraturan and Kimia Pharma's on Sunday. Announcement immediately made rounds on social media. So these announcements immediately made rounds on social media, maybe Facebook, then Twitter, something like that, around social media, and drew criticism from civil society groups, kelompok sipil, yang menyebutkan, which call the expansion and attempt to, berita yang meluasnya yaitu komersialis vaksin and profit from the pandemics. So many people, in the groups, in the civil society groups, they say that vaccine has the purpose, yeah, for commercialists, yeah, and get the profits from the pandemics. That the issue, Mr. Ikhwan. And the issue like that, the issues. Because vaccine, they will get no free. They must pay about this 800,000 something. So this is also yeah much money for the bottom people, untuk orang-orang bawah, or $60. Yeah, so yeah, has the issue, the rumors like this, that vaccine, yeah, commercialist vaccination and profit from the pandemics. So yeah, the policy change, ya peraturannya dirubah, and Kimia Pharma on Sunday. So they actually socialists in the social media. They gave the information to the public on the social media, something like that. Mr. Ikhwan. Okay, so we have two paragraphs again, Mr. Ikhwan. Can you please read this paragraph, sir? This is the expansions. Yeah, you can open your speaker, Mr. Ikhwan, please.
The expansion of Gotong Royong vaccination is not only unethical, it can also create confusion and the wrong public perception that commercial vaccines are better than the free ones. Indonesian Consumer Foundation, ya, Yayasan Lembaga Konsumen,
Yeah,
Yayasan
WL.
Indonesia, head Tulus Abadi wrote in a statement on Monday. Yeah, that's the opinion from the Indonesian Consumer Foundation.
Yes. Yeah, something like that, Mr. Ikhwan. So yeah, also this is cheating from
Yes,
this. Yeah, while vaccine were supposed to be a public good, yeah, so not commercial, but yeah, it's for public. Yeah, this is for public, for the people, for Indonesian citizens. Yeah, will be good like that. Okay.
yes, but
Yeah. So the expansion of gotong royong vaccination is not only perluasan or dampak luas, like that. Expansions
yeah,
of gotong royong vaccination is not only unethical. Yeah. It can also create confusion and the wrong public perception. Confusion is ya sesuatu yang bikin bingung, ya confusion, ya bisa menciptakan sesuatu yang
yes,
membingungkan, and the wrong public perceptions.
yeah,
Ya, thus commercial, and this is commercial vaccine are better than the free ones. Actually better than the free one, Mr. Ikhwan. Indonesia Consumer Foundation also,
yeah,
YLKI, head the heads of the foundation, Tulus Abadi, brought in a statement on Monday. Okay, so do you have the same opinion, Mr. Ikhwan, actually, that actually this vaccine, actually the commercial vaccine
I think
better than the free ones? So
I think I don't I am I don't I have a different perception about that. I think apa ya selama ini apa itu selama ini saya
until now, or
yeah
yes, or as long
until yeah as long as long all this time,
Okay.
or as long this time,
Yes.
as long this time, I think a public didn't bother about this the same regulation. Yeah, the public now that's like drugs or vaccine is have many grade, I think. Grade like for example like drug, yeah, drug for JKN, you know,
Yes, sir. Yes.
jaminan kesehatan is different with the general patient or private patient. It's general, it's not same, I think.
Oh,
If but it's yeah, if private go private choice to go to the private hospital, because in the private hospital they can get the drugs that the quality is more than in general hospital. But in general hospital is the standard drugs. It's the same for all people.
okay, yes.
You can understand what I mean, sir?
Yeah,
Yeah,
understand. Understand.
it's the same for vaccine. Immunization routine immunization for the child
Yes.
is different. If the child the child come to the public health puskesmas and your baby get vaccine from the government, but if you bring your child to the private practices clinic, is the different vaccine, or the vaccine is bermerek gitu, bermerek
Oh,
vaksinnya.
has the brands
Dan it
and the vaccine.
iya,
brands, yeah.
have the brand, the
Oh,
vaccine, then itu mahal, expensive. Tetapi publik tahu dan tidak mempersoalkan itu.
okay. Yes.
Dia sama sekali tidak mempersoalkan, cuma orang-orang ini saja, orang-orang yang mempolitisasi seperti itu. Itu my opinion.
Oh,
Sama saja dengan beras. Tentu kalau orang miskin beda beras yang dia beli dong dengan beda orang kaya.
yes, yes. Yeah.
Tentu sesuai dengan dan misalnya sama dengan BPJS gitu, orang masyarakat yang dapat kartu sehat ya dari pemerintah, dia ke rumah sakit dia tidak pernah mengatakan lah kenapa obatnya segi ini, obat murah gitu, tidak pernah. Dia tuh sudah bersyukur bisa gratis gitu masyarakat itu. Jadi itu cuma dibuat-buat saja orang-orang yang mau mencari panggung gitu. It's my opinion.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, actually,
Ya, cuma orang-orang yang mencari panggung.
yeah.
I think the public is not confused about that. The public not bother about that.
Oh, okay, yes. So they don't
Yes.
bother about that. Ya, mereka tidak terganggu
Yes.
about that. Ya,
Tidak terganggu dengan itu, mau ada kayak mau gotong royong kayak mau apa kayak, yang jelas vaksin itu dia dapat juga vaksin. Dan mereka tahu that Sinovac is AstraZeneca, all of the vaccine is import.
yes, sir.
Nah,
Yeah, understood.
yeah,
Okay.
it's signed that that's yeah.
Yeah, that's the good. Yeah, that's the good. Yeah, opinion also. Yeah, yeah. Actually, yeah, that was right. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, actually, public they don't bother about
Yeah.
that. Actually. Yeah, just some.
Saya saja,
Yeah.
kita saja ini pegawai saya saja ya pegawai negeri.
Yes, sir.
pegawai negeri, saya sanggup membayar itu 879, tetapi saya tidak perlu membayar karena saya kan sudah dapat Sinovac. Ngapain lagi saya mau dapat vaksin yang itu? Kan sama. Nah, itu.
Okay.
It's
Understand, sir.
my
Yeah,
opinion. It's my
understand.
perception. So, yeah.
Okay, yes. So that's the perceptions. Okay, okay, understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, actually interesting.
So I think yeah.
Okay, sir, please. Yeah. So yeah, that's about the vaccine. Actually, yeah, this is that was good, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, actually, not only ethnic, yeah, unethnical, yeah, but yeah, actually about that, this is
Yeah.
actually not make public confused actually because has the quality. Everything has the
Yes.
quality.
No.
Yeah, like you said
Yes.
before. Yeah,
Yes.
like these drugs, yeah, for children, yeah, drugs, and yeah, so
Yeah.
yeah, actually different.
Karena because because it's make if we to enter in our country, it can be is make our vaccination apa tuh lambat itu.
Lambat, late, or long.
Late is it?
Yes.
Yeah, long time or lag.
Or
If the government
yeah, you can say
can
slow.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, slow that. Nah, alternative the gotong royong is give alternative to faster the vaccination because the free part can buy it's the self vaccine from the other country.
Oh,
Tidak hanya mengharap pemerintah. Kalau pemerintah pemerintah tentu membeli vaksin sesuai dengan kemampuan keuangan negara gitu.
Yes, understand, sir.
Nah, kalau swasta kan that's my.
Okay, so this is the way also to accelerate the vaccinations program. Yeah, so we can buy from country. Yeah, we pay around $60 like that.
Yeah.
So we'll get faster, not waiting for the registrations. Okay, I understand actually, Mr.
Yeah, registration.
Yeah, if we just demanding
Yeah,
the mengharapkan pemerintah, menuntut pemerintah, demanding governments.
Yeah, because the vaccine logistic from government is limited.
Yes.
It's limited. Until now is limited.
Yes. Until now still limited.
So kalau so if there's like free part and get vaccine at their self to the from abroad, it's good for our country to faster the coverage of our vaccination.
Okay, yes, understand, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, actually, that's good. Actually, that's correct. Yeah, if we buy the vaccines, so when it will not free, so we can accelerate the vaccination. We can accelerate the vaccination program.
Yes,
in our country. Yeah, if we just demanding from the governments, so that will not cover enough. Ya, tidak akan mencukupi because from the government, the vaccine from the government still limited. Yeah, until now still limited. Yeah, understand, Mr. Ivan. That's good. Excellent. Okay, so we go to the last paragraph here. Kimia Pharma official said the company was not seeking financial gain, mendapatkan from the privately paid inoculation program. and that the pricing scheme had been reviewed by an independent body and was in accordance with Health Ministry regulations. Ya, so Kimia Farma official, yes. Kimia Farma secara resmi, officially, yes, said the company was not seeking financial. Perusahaannya tidak mencari pendapatan finansial, ya, financial gain, pendapatan finansial.
Yes.
Ya, from the private paid inoculations, ya, tidak dari vaksinasi pembayaran swasta, ya, private, ya, program, ya, and that the pricing scheme had been reviewed. Jadi program harganya itu, skema harganya telah sedang direview,
Yeah.
ya, oleh independent body, ya, organisasi independen,
Yeah.
and was in accordance,
Yeah.
disesuaikan
Independent body.
dengan peraturan Menteri Kesehatan.
Sesuai dengan
Yes,
kesehatan. Like that.
yeah. So yeah, but that's about the news actually, Mr. Ikhwan. Sometimes being rambling, heboh, rambling. Yeah, so the government sometimes
Yeah.
confused like that. Yeah. So many rumors, yeah.
Yeah.
Social media, on YouTube, yeah, everywhere.
Yeah. It's make
Yes. So, yeah,
it's
I
always make proper.
okay. So you already got the vaccine, Mr. Ikhwan. You already got the vaccine.
Yes, I have. Yes, I had full vaccination.
Wow. Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, twice injection.
Oh, twice. Yes. So two dosage, maybe two dosage vaccine.
Two doses. Two doses vaccination. Vaccinated.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I understand what you said. Yes. So you will, yeah, you will not pay again. So for what? Yeah, because you already got.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't need
You pay, you will not complain.
vaccine again.
Yeah.
Yeah, not complain.
Yes. Understand, Mr. Ikhwan.
Yeah, because all vaccination is the same principle of the vaccination is how to make our antibody to increase our antibody about the COVID.
Our immune system. Yes, our immune system.
Immune system, yeah.
Antibody.
Yes, specific immune.
Specific immune. Okay. Yeah, that's yeah, this is good news actually, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, so do you have any questions, Mr. Ikhwan, before we close our learning for this evening?
Yeah, I think our topic is interesting topic because it's the apa itu new issue ya.
Yes, new issue.
Now.
Yeah.
Yeah, nowadays issue.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, I don't have specific question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sometimes from the public, actually, sometimes the people, yeah, in the public, the citizens sometimes have some issues, yeah, because the vaccine is pricing, dihargai. Yeah, but actually different perception, yeah, actually different people, different perception. So they must understand.
Yeah.
They must understanding.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, Mr. Ikhwan in Jakarta also, yeah, has the increase, yeah, of the COVID cases, yeah, in Jakarta, and
yes, as listed.
Many death toll also, yeah, but the COVID-19 death toll, yeah, in Jakarta, because the variant Delta. Actually, the governments of Jakarta already provided the cemetery, Mr. Ikhwan. in North
Yeah.
Jakarta. Yeah, the cemetery large
Yes.
5 hectares, but now already
Yeah.
it's 3 hectares already in use. Yeah, so yeah,
Yeah.
this is we need the vaccinations program accelerate actually.
Yeah.
We need the acceleration for the vaccinations program.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The vaccination is the best solution
yeah, this is the best solution.
to how to fast out from this crisis,
Yes,
from this pandemic.
yeah, yes.
Yeah, because I think only vaccine that can make uh, us free from pandemic, because vaccination, the purpose of vaccination is to make herd immunity.
Okay, yes, to
Yeah,
make
herd immunity.
yes to have immunity. Yeah, that's the purpose of the vaccine.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. So yeah,
yeah,
if
understand.
we if our country have a herd immunity, the virus can make many people enter the hospital.
Okay, yes, understand.
Yes,
So if the
yes,
people have immunity, yeah, good immune system, yeah, so we can
yeah.
fight the virus. Yeah, we can fight the
We
virus.
can fight.
Yeah.
We can fight.
So
Yeah,
we can stop the chains, yeah, rantai, the chains of the pandemics like that. We can stop.
yes,
Okay, that's good.
yes,
Yeah. If,
yeah. The COVID, yeah, the COVID just become usually illness like influenza, like influenza.
okay, yes, like
Yeah,
influenza, something like that. Yeah. So
yeah.
yeah,
We know the
okay.
Yeah, we know if influenza is had ever uh, as a pandemic influenza in 1918.
Oh, influenza.
So
Yes, yes, understand.
yeah,
Yeah. It's
flu
already
Spanish, yeah, Spanish flu.
it's already happened in sorry, Mr. Iwan, 1980,
1918,
1980s. Oh,
18,
nine,
1918.
1918. Okay.
Yeah,
It's
yes,
already happened. Yeah, but the pandemics of
yes, already
influenza.
happened.
Okay, I have just
Influenza.
learned from you, Mr. Iwan. Yeah.
Yeah, influenza pandemic is the terrible, is the more big pandemic, a more big pandemic than COVID,
Oh,
because at the time the more than 50 million people die in the world.
more than 15, sorry, 15 million people died.
50 million people die in the world,
Yes,
all
around
over the world, all over the
more
world.
than 15
Yeah,
million.
more.
15, right? Oh,
50, not
50.
15, 50,
Wow.
50 million.
So many people.
Lebih, yeah, and the other side is 100 million.
Hmm.
Ada yang mengatakan 100 juta orang
Yes, yes.
meninggal pada waktu itu.
So that's the most, yeah, the most big or the biggest pandemics at that time.
Yeah, big sebenarnya. Because at the time the vaccine is not belum seperti sekarang ya vaksin.
Yes, yeah, it's
Mungkin
different.
mungkin belum ada vaksin waktu itu.
Yes, yeah, maybe, yeah, because
Yes.
the technology is still simple also. The technology
Yeah.
knowledge
Yes.
is still simple at that time.
Yes.
It's this time.
And because the immunity terbentuk imunitas,
Yeah, format
ya,
terbentuk.
ya, format the imunitas for all people, because the spreading of the pandemic all over the world. Now the influenza just only usual illness. Usual
Okay.
illness.
Yes, usuals. Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
like a usual illness.
Because
Yeah.
usual,
Normal illness.
yeah,
Yes,
normal illness, because
we have
all of us have antibody
antibody. Oh,
for
okay.
the influenza.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. So influenza has influenza just only make our upper respiratories
Understand. Yes. Yeah.
hanya saluran pernapasan bagian atas.
Yes.
So
Respirator.
the COVID so the COVID nantinya the fooder COVID is just disturb our upper respiratories like nose, but not our lower respiratories, because the bahaya apa?
Dangerous.
What's bahaya? The danger of the COVID is because the COVID can make our lung is keras, ya, rusak, broken our lung.
Yes. Heart. Yeah, can make our lung
Damage.
image. Okay.
Yeah, damage our lung.
Oh,
Is the future the COVID not damage our lung again? Because we have antibody to fight the
Understand.
corona
Understand, Mr. Iwan.
virus.
Yes. So
Yes.
yeah, that's the history.
Yes,
The history. Yeah, actually the influenza also contagious, actually menular. Yeah, but because we already
Contagious,
have
menular, yeah.
good immune system, yeah, so we can survive, yeah, from
Yeah.
influenza. So influenza
Yes.
became like a normal vaccine. Yeah, so if we get the vaccine, so we
Yeah.
get the immune, better immune for our bodies. Okay, understand.
Yes. And then the vaccine is one of the teknologi.
Yes.
Vaksin itu adalah salah satu teknologi yang hebat di zaman kita. Itu salah satu kalau vaksin.
Okay.
Vaksin itu
Ya, the inventions, ya penemuan, ya that the great inventions, ya, in our periods, ya di zaman.
Iya, periods. Because the vaksin itu lebih hebat daripada obat. What I can say.
Yes, absolutely.
Vaksin is more.
Is a great.
More apa ya?
Greater, lebih hebat. Is
greater
than the
greater than drug. Because in drug we know about we have here about resistance.
Oh, okay, understand. Ya,
obat itu kuman itu cepat sekali resisten terhadap obat.
Oh, understand.
Ya, kecepatan resistensi obat tidak bisa diimbangi oleh kecepatan menciptakan obat yang baru.
Oh.
It's the problem of the drug.